and Houndour, good afternoon. I'm Julia and we farm here in the beautiful Vale of Clwyd, and we're farming over 500 acres of owned and rented land as well. We are mainly sheep farmers with over 1,000 sheep, and on our farm we have 8 public footpaths, 2 byways and a bridleway. So in terms of public access, it's huge. Lots of people coming on the farm all the time. All of our paths have really good gates for people. We have lots of kissing gates like this one and metal hand gates. And we've worked closely with Denbighshire County Council to ensure good access right across the land. And we do welcome our regular walkers who are very good at supporting us and watching out for things on the land, and also our regular dog walkers. But we do have a cross-section of people who come with their dogs and they don't respect the land and they don't respect the livestock. It's really distressing when people see, ourselves and other walkers, see sheep that have been attacked quite badly. It's a big financial loss for us, but also it's very distressing for people to see it. And the stock are very nervous, they're distressed. Any sheep that are in lamb can lose their lambs very quickly, and sheep can die even though they're not attacked. So the message is really, do think about it. You might not think your dog will run, but I tell you what, when it does run, you know it can cause a lot of damage. So please do keep your dogs on a lead.